Imagine your solar company has dozens of projects moving through the pipeline. Your sales team is bringing new customers. Your installation crews are scheduled. Your project managers are tracking deadlines. But one critical step can slow everything down: engineering approval and PE stamping. For many solar projects across the United States, professionally reviewed and stamped engineering documents are required before permits can be approved. Choosing the right PE stamping service is not just about getting a signature on a drawing. It impacts permit approval timelines, engineering quality, project costs, revision cycles, customer satisfaction. But with so many engineering providers available, how do you know which one is the right fit for your solar pipeline? In today's video, we'll compare the most important factors EPC companies should evaluate when selecting a PE stamping service, including turnaround time, engineering quality, state coverage, revision support, communication, and scalability. What is PE stamping in solar? PE stamping refers to the review and approval of engineering documents by a licensed professional engineer. The PE seal confirms that the engineer has reviewed the applicable designs and takes professional responsibility for the engineering work. In solar projects, PE stamping may apply to areas such as structural engineering, including roof attachment analysis, mounting system evaluation, load calculations, including electrical calculations, system design review, code compliance, civil engineering for certain projects, ground-mounted solar, site development, foundations. Requirements vary depending on project type, location, AHJ requirements, state regulations. Why PE stamping matters for solar EPCs. A reliable PE stamping process can directly impact project success. Benefits include faster permit processing. Complete engineering documentation helps reviewers evaluate projects more efficiently. Reduced revisions. Quality reviews can identify issues before submission. Better project planning. EPC teams can schedule installations with more confidence. Professional compliance. Stamped documents support regulatory requirements where applicable. Types of PE stamping service providers. Option 1. Individual local engineer advantages. Local knowledge, direct communication, familiarity with some AHJs. Challenges: limited capacity, difficult to scale. Longer turnaround during busy periods. Option 2. Small engineering firm. Advantages: more resources, multiple engineering capabilities, better project support. Challenges: capacity limitations, may not cover all states. Variable processes. Option 3. Nationwide solar engineering partner. Advantages: multi-state support, dedicated engineering teams, better scalability, standardized workflows. Challenges: require strong communication systems. Quality depends on internal processes. 7 factors to compare before choosing a PE stamping service. Factor 1. State licensing coverage. The first question should be, can the engineering provider support the states where your projects are located? Solar EPC companies working across multiple states need a partner familiar with different requirements. Consider state licenses, local requirements, AHJ expectations. Factor 2. Solar industry experience. Not every engineering provider specializes in solar. Solar projects require understanding of PV systems, inverters, mounting systems, electrical requirements, permit workflows. Experience in solar engineering can reduce unnecessary corrections. Factor 3. Turnaround time. Time matters in solar. A delayed engineering package can delay permit submission. Installation scheduling. Customer commitments. Ask providers, what is the typical turnaround? How are urgent projects handled? How quickly are revisions addressed? Factor 4. Quality control process. A good PE stamping service should have a quality review process. Look for internal drawing checks, document verification, engineering review procedures, revision tracking. Quality control reduces avoidable corrections. Factor 5. Revision support. Solar permits often receive comments. The question is not whether revisions happen. The question is, how does the engineering provider handle them? Evaluate response time, revision policy, communication process. Factor 6. Communication and project management. Engineering is not just about drawings. Strong communication between EPC teams, engineers, permit coordinators, installers helps projects move smoothly. Factor 7. Ability to scale with your pipeline. A provider that works well for 5 projects may struggle with 50. Ask, can they support increasing project volume? Do they have dedicated resources? Can they maintain quality during growth? Common mistakes when selecting a PE stamping provider. Many EPC companies focus only on price, but the cheapest option may create higher costs later. Common mistakes include choosing based only on price. Low upfront cost can lead to delays. Ignoring state requirements. Different locations have different expectations. Not checking solar experience. General engineering experience may not equal solar expertise. Not asking about revisions. Unexpected revision costs can impact project budgets. Selecting a provider without scalability. Growing pipelines require reliable capacity. How GWRE supports solar EPC companies. At Renewable Energy, we support solar companies with engineering documentation and PE stamping coordination. Services solar permit plan sets. PE stamping coordination, structural engineering support, electrical engineering documentation, residential solar engineering, commercial solar engineering, battery storage permit design, EV charger permit design. Why EPC companies work with GWRE? Multi-state project support, helping installers manage projects across different US jurisdictions. Solar-focused engineering, supporting residential, commercial and complex solar projects. Quality-oriented process, focused on complete documentation and review before submission. Scalable support, helping EPC companies manage growing project pipelines. Choosing the right PE stamping service is an important decision for any growing solar EPC company. The best partner is not always the cheapest option. Companies should evaluate solar experience, state coverage, quality processes, communication, revision support, scalability. A strong engineering partner can help reduce delays, improve permit workflows, and support long-term business growth. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to Renewable Energy for more practical insights on solar engineering, permitting, PE stamping, and EPC operations. Questions for comments. What is the biggest challenge your team faces when working with PE stamping providers? Turnaround time, revisions, state coverage, communication, or quality?